Hey everyone, thanks for clicking this video. You're watching this because you're curious if the Austin real estate market is overpriced. It's pretty crazy right now. It has been most of 2021, and today we're going to dive into our thoughts on whether or not the Austin real estate market is overpriced or not. My name is Alex Kaufman here with Teifke Real Estate. We own a real estate brokerage here in Austin, Texas. We have about 75 agents. We have a construction company. We have an acquisitions arm where we find off-market deals. So we're very familiar with the ins and outs of the Austin real estate market, whether it's on market, off market, and we have all the information. So today we're going to dive into it. Welcome to the channel, and thanks again for tuning in. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. We put out a lot of great content. Today's video is going to be quick and easy, so stick with me to the end. Is the Austin real estate market overpriced? Honestly, price is relative. It's my personal opinion that the market is going to dictate the price, and obviously the demand is exceeding the supply right now, therefore driving price up. Austin is a very desirable area, and I don't see that demand decreasing anytime soon. Matter of fact, it's not only driven up the price of Austin real estate, it's driven up the price of Round Rock, Georgetown, Leander, Cedar Park, Taylor, Hutto, Buda, Kyle. It's driven up the prices of all of the Austin suburbs, and the Austin MSA is just on fire right now. I don't see it decreasing in terms of demand. It has decreased a little bit in terms of the drastic increases in prices. From May of 2020 to May of 2021, the price of real estate here in Austin on average rose about 46%. That's an insane price increase in just a 12-month period. We dive into the statistics of the Austin real estate market in May 2021 from ABOR, Austin Board of Realtors. If you haven't seen that video, check it out right here. But, you know, the Austin real estate market is just going to continue to exceed other real estate markets. There's a ton of jobs here. There's new developments popping up all the time. Just saw one yesterday for another mixed-use development here in Round Rock. There's these popping up everywhere, and it's just bringing a lot of jobs, a lot of demand, and everybody wants to move here. And even if it's not Austin, like I mentioned, it's the suburbs, it's Round Rock, it's Georgetown, it's Cedar Park, Leander. All of these places are increasing in value, and people are willing to pay more for real estate to secure a spot here. It's unfortunate for those who have wanted to move here to Austin and they've kind of been priced out. However, there are great spots for those buyers to find. Even though it's not necessarily right in Austin, you can go to places like Georgetown, Jarrell, Taylor, Hutto. It's getting more expensive there, but comparatively speaking to Austin, it's not so bad, and people can hopefully find a place to live where it's near the city. Personally, I don't necessarily want it to slow down. I mean, it's great. You know, unfortunately, prices of homes and of rentals and of even commercial and some small single family investments have increased. However, you know, rent prices are continuing to go up as well. So it's good for us investors. And we have secured a lot of equity with our real estate investments just in the last 12 months. What do you think? Do you think the Austin real estate market is too expensive? Would you pay $500K for a home that maybe last year you could have gotten for $300? You know, the real estate hasn't changed. It's the demand, and the market is going to dictate the price. So I'm interested to hear your opinion. Comment down below whether you think Austin is too expensive or not, and what you think it's going to do in the future. The future's kind of unknown, and none of us have a crystal ball. However, I don't see it continuing to increase by 46% every single year, year over year. However, I don't see the demand in Austin leveling off anytime soon, just with all the growth and all the jobs and everything coming here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.